I see you there. Adjusting the chair a little. And the headset. Well, hopefully some loud, awkward voice things will help. I'm right outside the laboratory, so we've got alphas to try and figure out how the heck I'm going to do anything about that. But that's okay. We'll figure it out. Something. Maybe at least the speech pattern, maybe? But hey, we can't avoid it. Let's just keep going into the lab where she's been watching us the entire time, of course. Dog food. And there she is already. This is not going to go over well. Okay. Let's see. What can we do with her? I obviously can't get the voice high enough, but oh, looking closer at the pixels, you can actually see that she has claws. That's neat. I don't think that anyone has actually drawn her with the proper white claws, like claws instead of just fingers. Anywho, let's just try to get an accent at least. Gosh. Oh no. Well, at least it's amusing. Might not be so amusing to people trying to watch us on YouTube, but if I'm struggling a little, it's something. Anyway. Oh my God. I didn't expect you to show up so soon. I haven't showered, I'm barely dressed, it's all messy, and... Hiya! I'm Dr. Alphys, Ascor's ruthless scientist. Can I get it higher? Not one of the bad guys! Actually, since you stepped out of the ruins, I've, been observing your journey through my console. Fights, friendships, everything! I was originally going to stop you, but, watching someone on screen really makes you root for them. So, now I want to help you. Using my knowledge, I can easily guide you through Hotland. I know a way right to Ascor's castle, no problem. You got the nervous part down, stat. Oh, well, thank you. A perfect place to just have an extra long, awkward pause because, I mean, it's Alphys and, totally not just me reading chat and talking a little. It's all Alph. It's true. She's making that no lie face. Well, actually, just a tiny issue. A long time ago, I made a robot named Mettaton. Originally, I built him to be an entertainment robot. You know, like a robotic TV star or something. Anyway, recently I decided to make him more useful.
I'm sure this sounds terrible. I'm sure it sounds a little bit better in my head, but I'll just keep second guessing myself the entire time. Anywho,
You know, just some small practical adjustments, like anti-human combat features. Of course, well, when I saw you coming, I immediately decided I have to remove those features. Unfortunately, I might have been seem a skank while doing so. And, now he's an unstoppable killing machine with thirst for human blood? But, hopefully we won't run into him. Did you hear something? I don't know.
yeah, the snorting is totally necessary for Elvis. Absolutely. Oh, Mettaton. Wait, Robo Mettaton. Before Mettaton. Aha. Be a little bit more robotic.
Oh, yes. Welcome, beauties.
Have to save the better version for later. We know that.
To today's quiz show.
Oh, it gets right into it. I didn't know he did this right from the start.
Oh boy, I can already tell it's going to be a great show. Everyone give a big hand for a wonderful contestant.
He is a Muppet until he becomes a real boy. If only you could see the suit. I wonder why your PC's not playing the stream. It's streaming, and it's going all right through your screen, right, Jen? It's just the Squeeze PC acting up a bit. And wow, this music, I've never actually sat through the entirety of the Undertale soundtrack. I'm gonna have to listen through a lot more of these.
Never played before, gorgeous? No problem, it's simple. There's only one rule. Answer correctly, or you die!
Oh! So this is literally the first few minutes that you run into Mettaton. Okay. Oh, I have to get used to the controls again. I would like to back out. There we go. Check her cry. Alrighty. See you shortly, Jen. After the bus. His middle body renders him invulnerable to attack. Oh. Okay.
Let's start with an easy one. What's the prize for answering correctly?
Alphys, what are you doing with your hands? Oh, there was a timer. The show continues. Oh, we gotta cry! Screaming is against the rules.
These are terrific puns.
Fuzzy pushover, Lord Fluffy puns. Dr. Friendship. Hey! Dr. Friendship seems good. Done so good right off the bat.
Enough about you. Let's talk about me.
What are robots made of? Friendship and kindness. Oh. Metal and magic. Hey, thanks, Alex. There would be no way I could count those. Thanks, Alphys.
Let's play memory game.
That's a frog. Really, Alphys? Okay. Oh, it's a shirt. What the heck? Metaton. Oh. Gosh. Huh. Oh, the timer's just going up. It's not going to time out. Maybe it will. Let's find out. Just go to 99 and just sit there, or... Yeah, he keeps going. Who wants that one answered? Oh my gosh. How many words? How many letters in the name? Gosh. She nerds out, and I forgot to try and voice that. I was just too amused by it, and oops.
Alphys. You aren't helping our contestant, are you? Ooh, you should have told me. I'll ask a question you'll be sure to know the answer to. Does Dr. Alphys have a crush on?
Hey, this timer's not moving either. I mean, I technically know the right answers, but but all the cameras everywhere would lead you into thinking that she's watching the human a bit too closely.
See, told you it was obvious. Even the human figured out. Here she scrawls her name in the margin of her notes. Names programming variables after her. She even writes stories of them together. Sharing a domestic life. Probability of crash 101%. Margin of error 1%. Well. After Alpha something, the show has no dramatic tension. We can't go on like this. But this was just the pilot episode. Next up, more drama, more romance, more bloodshed. Until next time, darlings.
See, she went like,
Well, that was certainly something.
my gosh, I don't think I got it anymore. Oh well.
Last question. He wasn't supposed to ask that one.
It's a bathroom sign. Space behind the wall is only a few feet wide. Oh, makes sense. Bag of dog food. Half full. What is it to...
Give you my phone number.
I'm gonna have to do this a lot more. I gotta get a stable.
Maybe you need help. Where'd you get that phone? It's ancient. It's even not texting. Wait a second, please.
Did I hear a cat? Oh. I upgraded it further. Oh.
I can do texting items.
It's got a keychain?
Signed you up for Underground's #1 social network. Now we're officially friends.
I can only get that started. Anywho. My gosh.
I'm going to the bathroom.
I'm sure that one was fine. Maybe. Just standing behind the door. The feet are tapping just behind the door. I can just walk right through the lab. Okay. What's upstairs? Scientific books seem dusty. Books are labeled human history. Sure, let's read one. Look inside a book. It's a comic of a giant robot fighting a beautiful alien princess. This doesn't strike you as very accurate. VHSs and DVDs of various cartoons. They're all labeled human history. All these books are labeled human history. Let's read another book. You look inside a book. It's a comic book. Two scantily clad chefs are flinging energy pancakes at one another. This doesn't strike you as very accurate. All these books are labeled human history. Look inside a book. It's a comic book. A hideous android is running to school with toast in its mouth. Seems like it's late. Doesn't strike you as very accurate. poop dips from a strange machine. So much grass. It's like Alphys's work table. Seems dusty. Wardrobe is full of dirty lab coats and a single clean dress. Letters from many monsters here. Frogget, Snowy, Doggo. They're all unopened. There's a lamp with pink fish on the lampshade. There is no light bulb. Incredible invention. When not in use, this bed folds into an extremely easy-to-draw box. It's a poster from Editon's TV premiere. On the flap it says, "Thank you for making my dreams come true." Garbage can, but it's pretty cute. Whoa. Fridge is filled with instant noodles and soda. Take a package of noodles? Yeah, please. I like some food. It's a beat-up figurine of a female human with cat ears. Oh, I should have called her when she was in the bathroom. Ow. Updated status. I just realized they didn't watch Undyne fight the human. Okay. This is gonna be... yes. I know she's unbeatable. I'll ask her about it later. Next. Yeah. Now I gotta cop the human and guide them. Kitty face. I really expected another one. Vulcan strolls in. Criticize, encourage, hug. I don't think I would want to hug a volcano. What is it? Mistakenly believes its lava can heal people. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm not very good at that. Vulcan is wiggling its weird rump. Criticize, encourage. The only logical route is to criticize it because it can't heal people. Tell Vulcan that its attacks are not helpful. Not helping? Okay. Vulcan stands in the corner. Well, now that he's suppressed me, maybe it would be a good time for a hug. Vulcan, a hug. It warms your heart and your whole body. Ouch, my defense dropped. So lovey. Ah, buggert. Vulcan's cheek glow with the bright heat. Oh, he's happy now though. Okay, see you later. Huh. Gonna call him in a minute. Just gotta update my status 12 more times. Oh. Simple movement puzzle. I see. Does this mean I got the right one? Alright. Hey, it's a save point! Whooshing sound of steam and cogs fills you with determination. Cogs? Where's the cogs? Just updated status. I hate using the phone. I don't want to do this. LMAO. Then don't. I think we'll be fine. What? Okay. That's something I've never seen, certainly. Okay. Sunderplane gets in the way. And not on purpose or anything. Not on purpose. If only I remembered the definition of Sundra. Then I could, Not on purpose or anything. If I approach, it might run. Get closest under the plane, but not too close. Oh. Oh. Gives me a condescending barrel roll. Okay, I get it. I get it. Plane looks over and turns up its nose. Oh no, it is overwhelmed. Okay. Okay. Ooh, options. I will go this way first because I think it's a dead end, but is there a treasure? So, switch? It's a frying pan. Yeah, let's take a frying pan. God, the burnt pan. Damage is rather consistent. Consumable items heal 4. Okay, that second effect is pretty good, but I mean, I'm just not going to be using a weapon, so. Oh, it's flipping directions. Cool. Oh, there's nothing over here. Fair enough. But I was right, there was something over here. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh my god, I've had my claw over the last digit for 5 minutes. Oh my god, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna call. Sure. Okay, is she gonna just hang up on me? Click. Whoever was calling hung up before you answered it. Yep. Is this gonna happen like 2 more times or so? Oh, no. Here it is. Alright. Now we might be able to come back into the stream. Let's see. Back to Alphys.
Hi! So the blue lake...
Consistency, somewhere. Over the rainbow.
So the blue lasers... Elvis here.
Actually, a stuttering, joltery voice seems good. Hey, it does. Now, if only it sounds good, but I can't tell. Let's keep going.
The blue lasers won't hurt you if you don't move. Orange ones, you have to be moving and they won't, move through those ones. Bye.
Sup, days. Oh my god, I did it! Claws haven't shook like that since Undyne called me to ask about the weather. This updated status. Wait, there's no weather down here. Why did she call me? Oh no, it got me! Hey, it's a button! I'm gonna push the button. It's just where deactivated. Submitted stats. Oh my god, I forgot to tell them where to go. I just posted a picture. You pick at me right now. That's behavior that I really didn't think that she would have, done. Oh, it's a very sure of a garbage can with several pink glittery filters over it. Okay, and that also explains why that garbage can in her office was parenthesis cute. She always dresses it up and uses it as her own pictures. Hey, welcome back, Sklee. Semi-alive is much better than not alive. Especially if you can see the stream now. Freaking garbage can. Oh, she called.
Here. The northern door will stay locked until you solve the puzzles on the right and the left. I think you should go to the right first.
Okay. It's more weirdos! Phone works, PC dead. That's good. Well, not good that the PC's dead, it's good that the phone works. I am glad. Wonder if it would be unfun if I explained the puzzle. Just explain these guys and we're good. Way to work is blocked, so I had time to catch Mettaton's show on my phone. Special effects were amazing today. That human almost looked real. Yeah, he's the most popular star in the underground. His fan club probably has at least 3 dozen members. Okay. This is a doge. Shoot the opposing ship. Move the boxes to complete your mission. What about this? Oh, it's a floating head. Sure. Door leading through the area is closed, so I tried the puzzle. Kept running out of ammo. I kept restarting. 2 co-workers won't help. It's like they don't even want to go to work. Shoot them. Bang. I see. Aha. Oh, I see. Neat. Well, that'll work. Interesting. A puzzle within a puzzle. Let's see.
Alphys, here! The blue laser seems totally impossible! But as the royal scientist, I have some tricks in my sleeve! Uh-oh! I into the hotline laser database and take it out!
Good job. Out, and suddenly a bunch of puzzles reactivate out of nowhere. This is a huge problem. It rules! They've gotta cancel school over this. Finally, Hey, someone turn off that laser. Now we're free, we can't... Well, so just keep standing here. Sure. Shoot the opposing ship. Move the boxes to complete your mission. Okay. I see. Let me think here. You wouldn't want... It goes like this. Oh, that was more than I thought. It's my own mistake. There'll always be two. Unless I go like this. Which I can go... Tap, tap, tap. If... Not entirely sure that this plan is working. Or it could be and I'm just not thinking enough. I'm thinking too much. Huh. Didn't expect that to be. Let's update his status. Whatever, I'll just explain it. Okay. Okay.
I think, about, the puzzle on the left and the right, they're a bit difficult to explain, but, you've already solved them. Awesome!
Okay. More?
Hey, it's kind of dark in there, isn't it? Don't worry. I'll hack into the light system and brighten it up.
Oh. Okay.
No.
Oh yes! Welcome, beauties, to the Underground's premier cooking show!
Cooking with a killer robot.
Reheat your ovens, because we've got a very special recipe for you today! We're going to be making a cake! My lovely assistant here will gather the ingredients! Everyone give them a big hand! We'll need sugar, milk, and eggs! Go for it, sweetheart!
Found the sugar. Found the milk. I found the eggs. I did a good job.
Great job! Just put them in the middle of the counter!
It's a pile now. Just pile everything on the eggs. Sure.
Perfect! Great job, beautiful! We've got all of the ingredients we need to bake the cake! Milk, sugar, eggs? Oh my! What a magnificent moment! How could I forget? We're missing the most important ingredient! Human soul!
Oh, I got a phone call.
Hello? Kind of in the middle of something here.
Wait a second. Couldn't you make couldn't you use couldn't you make a substitution in the recipe?
A substitution? You mean use a different non-human ingredient? Why?
What if someone's vegan?
Vegan. That's a brilliant idea, Elvis! Actually, I happen to have an option right here. Empty brand always convenient human full flavor substitute. A can of which is just over there on that counter. Melmer, why don't you go get it?
Oh. I thought it was going to go into the depths, but sure.
By the way, our show runs on a strict schedule. If you can't get to the can in the next 1 minute, we'll just have to go back to the original plan. So, better start climbing, beautiful!
Oh no! There's not enough time to climb up! Fortunately, I might have a plan. I was upgrading your phone, I had a few features. You see that huge button that says jetpack? Watch this!
Phone, what are you doing? Uh-oh.
There! Should have just enough fuel to reach the top! Look up there!
Oh. Ah! Eggs! Excuse me, flower. Oh, that's milk. I was really confused for a minute. I was presuming that thing to be a wall, but I could probably go through it, can't I? So many eggs.
My. It seems you've bested me. Only because you had the help of the brilliant Dr. Elphys. Oh, I'd love to think what would have happened to you without her. Well, turtles!
Weren't we gonna make a cake?
Oh yeah, about the substitution. Haven't you ever seen a cooking show before? I already baked the cake ahead of time, so forget it.
Okay.
Wow! We did it! We really did it! Great job out there, team! Well, anyway, let's keep moving forward.
Oh. An ominous structure looms in the distance, filled with determination.